Hello. My name is Dr. Abrar Hussain Cheema. I am consultant family physician and public health specialist. I pay attention to those things that are personally and professionally useful to your health, and ignore the rest. In this video, I want to show you a simple natural home remedy for the best sleep experience. As you know, a perfect sleep is very important for good health both physically and mentally. That natural remedy is kefir. What is kefir? It's similar to yogurt, but it's better than yogurt. It contains lots of friendly microbes ranging 12 to 15 strains. But yogurt has maximum 4 microbial strains. Kefir not only contains friendly microbes but also has yeasts. Both microbes and yeasts of kefir survive stomach acids better than that of microbes and yeasts of yogurt. Here is a list of benefits of kefir. You have less liver fat, less allergies. Kefir boosts your immune system. Kefir helps to decrease an inflammation. Kefir decreases constipation. Kefir is also helpful to decrease blood pressure by ACE inhibitors. Kefir has less pathogens. Let's see what kefir can do directly to your sleep. Your microbes in the gut make serotonin almost 90%. So more the microbes from kefir, more the serotonin. Serotonin is a hormone that affects your mood and also reduce stress. Kefir has microbes that can directly make melatonin in the gut. Some people think melatonin is only produced by pineal body and brain, but it is also produced in the gut by microbes. Microbes in kefir produce certain vitamins, including vitamin B1 thiamine. Thiamine helps to reduce stress. When you try to sleep, you keep thinking and sleep is not possible. Thiamine helps to calm you and induce sleep. Secondly, Lactobacillus in kefir helps to reduce cortisol hormone level in the body. You cannot sleep well when there is high cortisol level in the body. Kefir decreases cortisol level and enhances sleep duration and rhythm. The best time to take kefir is 2 p.m. up to 5 p.m. But if you drink kefir at night time, it will not be good for your health, because it will not increase cough mucus secretions. It will also decrease our immunity. It will also lead to upper respiratory tract infection. How to prepare kefir drink to get maximum health benefits. Take half glass of kefir, half glass of water, and mix these together. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and salt according to your taste. Take this drink with your lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If found any query, comments below. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe buttons below for more informative videos. Thank you for watching this video.